Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial episode, we will be learning how to download the Paper.io2 on your iPhone. To download Paper.io2 on your iPhone is a super easy process, so let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that you've connected your device with a proper internet connection. Next, open up your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Paper.io2 and search. This is the app we are looking for. Paper.io2 is a popular multiplayer action game developed by Voodoo. The game involves controlling a block or shape that moves around the grid, and the goal is to capture as much territory as possible by drawing lines and closing off areas. To download the application, tap on the Get or the Download button and wait for it to install on your iOS device. After waiting for a couple of minutes, you will then be able to install the app on your device and launch it open. So that is how you can easily download Paper.io2 on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.